Do you know why math books are sad? They've got too many problems. Every time they turn the page, it's like an endless list of equations just waiting to be solved. But that's not the worst part. You see, the math books have to share a locker with none other than the grammar books, and those grammar books are relentless. They just can't resist correcting every single equation, turning the math books' numbers into proper sentences. It's a real identity crisis. The math books tried to get some sympathy from the history textbooks, but they were too busy with their own issues, always stuck in the past. Meanwhile, the science books were too wrapped up in their experiments to notice the math books' woes. Even the art books were too preoccupied with their color palettes to lend an ear. It seemed like no one in the school understood the plight of the math books. One day, the math books decided to form a support group in the library. They invited all the other books to join, hoping to find some common ground. The science books came in with their hypotheses, the history books brought their timelines, and even the grammar books showed up, ready to nitpick. To everyone's surprise, the art books arrived with a plan to illustrate everyone's stories, bringing a splash of creativity to the mix. In the end, the math books realized that every book had its own set of problems. They weren't alone in their struggles. The grammar books promised to ease up on their corrections, and the other books vowed to lend a hand whenever a solution was needed. With newfound camaraderie, the math books felt a little less sad, knowing they had friends to help solve the problems that filled their pages.